Breastfeeding superfoods. Being able to make enough milk is a constant worry for many mothers. Galactogogues or lactogenic foods are foods that increase milk supply. Most of the galactogogues work by increasing the prolactin levels in a mother's body, which is the hormone responsible for breast milk production. Salmons are an excellent source of protein and is rich in vitamin B12 and omega 3 fatty acids. It is also one of the few sources that has natural vitamin D, and many women have vitamin D deficiencies. B12 and omega 3 are thought to help ward off postpartum depression. Salmon is also great for breastfeeding moms because it contains large amounts of DHA, which is the type of fat important for the development of a baby's nervous system. Leafy vegetables are rich in vitamins A, C, E, and K, as well as fiber, antioxidants, and minerals, including calcium. Plus, they are so low in calories that you can eat them all day long and not have to worry about how many calories you have consumed. Eggs are rich in protein, choline, lutein, vitamins B12 and D, riboflavin, and folate. They are a quick, easy meal or a snack. New research shows that eggs will not increase the cholesterol levels in the body. Breastfeeding moms have more need for the mineral zinc. Beef is the high quality protein rich in zinc, iron, and B vitamins. It helps you maintain your energy, and we all know having a new baby at home requires lots of energy. Yogurt is rich in calcium and is also a good source of protein and is considered as a convenient snack. Just one medium sweet potato meets the daily recommendation of vitamin A for breastfeeding moms. Vitamin A is important for vision, bone growth, immune function, and cell specialization. The baby is dependent on the dietary intake to get the vitamin A required for growth and development. Brown rice, whole wheat pasta, and oatmeal are all complex carbohydrates, meaning they keep you feeling full for a longer period of time. And they are also an important source of B vitamins, minerals, and fibers. Apricots are rich in fiber, potassium, and vitamins A and C. Avocado is rich in folate and is considered as healthy fat. Legumes and beans are great sources of protein, iron, and fiber. They also have lots of minerals and phytochemicals, which is a non nutrient chemical that a plant produces. Nuts and seeds contain protein, fiber, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Almonds are great for breastfeeding moms because they are a great non dairy source of calcium. Sesame seeds are also packed with calcium as well as fiber, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, copper, and manganese. Stressing about milk production is natural for a new mother. However, following best practices for breastfeeding, consulting a lactation consultant, and including galactogogues in the diet can work well.